Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I kind of want to briefly go over my car and the wrap it has on it. Before I get into the video, if you're into this kind of stuff and want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for future videos. It seems like no matter where I go, people can't help but stare at the car. At least 2 times a week, I have someone asking me what color it is, where did I get it done, how much was it. So I figured I'd just make a video, let everyone know. As I go around the car, I want to just point out some of the good and the bad of having a wrapped car. Some of the obvious things is the car is beautiful. It stands out, it pops out, it changes colors with different shades of light. The car colors go from purple to green to navy blue and a mix in between, just depending on where you're looking at it. If you're looking to upgrade the look of your truck or car, I would consider a wrap like mine's. The color is actually from a spray paint technique, spraying the car first in black and then over again with the liquid wrap. Having the wrap on the car can protect the actual paint of your car. Some of the bad things are constantly having to watch where you park, especially in public parking areas. You just never know when someone's going to open the door and accidentally bump into your car. I also found that if you don't put some clear tape on the door handle, you end up peeling the wrap from opening the door over and over. Normal wear and tear. A lot of people ask me how much was it to get the car wrap, and the answer, it costs $1,000. Now, I did some research, and provided you have the right tools, you can purchase the liquid wrap for around 300 to 400, depending on the color you choose. I'll leave the link to that website. I'll leave the link down below in the bio. As far as how long the wrap stays, typically a liquid wrap can stay on the car for about 3 years. That's with great care. Weekly washes, but to make sure to use a waterless wash. You never want to use a pressure hose or even a garden hose. Secondly, once again, you want to tape the door handles to prevent wear and tear. Third, watch where you park. You just never know. You want to care for your baby, your pride, your joy. Now, I know a lot of you guys seen the dent on the car. Unfortunately, my dumb self backed into the neighbor's car, which brings me to another note. It's in your best interest to remove any dents or tree sap you might have on the car before getting the wrap done, to avoid running into headaches later down the line. And with that said, I hope I was able to answer some questions for the people who wonder what was on my car and thought about trying it for themselves. If you liked the video and would like to see more, please make sure to like the video as it helps me grow my channel and create more content. Wishing you all a blessed life from yours truly, Realist on Earth. Hey gang, so you made it to the end of my video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, and while you're at it, check out a few of my other videos. And remember, as always, have a blessed day.